Great. Thank you so much. Managing a distributed workforce and not just managing them, but also helping them be productive and engaged. So, be the speaker for today. I'm Princey. So, it's been quite a while since we all came into the remote mode, right? But the transition to remote mode was not really smooth. It was very sudden. So, how did you, as HR professionals, feel about it? Were you able to tackle it, or were you constantly telling employees what to do, or did you even feel that the way you were working is not working at all? We just took this the UAE segment, and it's quite interesting to find that only 10% were working remote before COVID, and now 79% are expecting to work remotely, if not every day, at least more often. So you can see a drastic difference here, and this makes us think about two things. How we traditionally think about some jobs that has to be done only in the workplace can now be done anywhere in the world. And next, what employees are expecting. They're expecting to be in a more flexible environment. So while we all know that remote work is going to be the new normal and even into the future, right now, what should we be focused on? So the first is going to be your health, employee health and well-being. In the new normal, you're going to have a dispersed workforce, by which I mean you're going to have remote employees, and you're also going to have people working from the office space as well. So you need to give equal importance to both these categories, and you need to ensure employee health throughout. And the next step is making remote work simpler. So now we all somehow tackled the situation and came into the space with digital tools. But how many tools are we using? One for collaboration, one for onboarding, one for other HR processes. Sometimes this can be a little overwhelming as well. So you need to streamline that process. And then comes the jobs in continuity. We are in a very uncertain economy right now. So um, how do you uh, perceive your jobs and ensure business continuity? And finally comes employee engagement and experience. So while we know that these are the areas where we need to work on, it's not going to come without any challenges, right? So the first is going to be employee onboarding. The major advantage of having uh, an onboarding experience in the workplace is that people get to experience your culture, people get to see it, people get to interact with their peers, interact with their managers. But how are we going to transfer it to a remote environment? And then comes communication and processes. So it's not just communication from the top management to the workforce, but it's also between communication with the peers, communication between managers, and also inter-team communication and productivity. So this is a very tricky thing when it comes to remote work, because there is a high chance that managers can get into micromanagement. So you need to be able to ensure managers have the right tools to be able to give employees their space while also tracking the productivity and knowing where the time is going. And employee engagement has been a major talk in the remote working space. So the reason is because employees are siloed and they easily tend to lose interest in the job they do. How are we going to create strategies that will include them, that will help them have a better experience and engagement? And then performance. So performance has to be continuous, whether it's feedback from the managers or any reviews. It should all be done instantly, and only then will performance management be meaningful. So how are we going to take this to a virtual environment is another big challenge that we see. And learning. So when you talk about learning, the biggest advantage of having it within a workplace is that employees get to meet the trainers, they get to get their all the questions answered instantly. But how are we going to take this expertise and experience to a virtual environment and ensure learning is continuous and ingrained in your culture? And finally, HR service delivery. The major part of HR is being there for your people every step of the way, right? So, how are people going to reach out to you? How is it going to be through emails, or is it going to be back and forth calls? With all those chaos, how are you going to handle this efficiently for a dispersed remote workforce? And another important question that we need to think about is you need to do this all at once and without giving up on employee experience. So, how is that going to be possible? You need technology, and you don't just need any technology, you need the one that works your way. You need the one that suits your unique processes, that suits your culture, that's able to adapt to your environment. So that's where we come to Zoho People. So for people who do not know what Zoho People is, we are in the HR software space, and we've been in the industry for more than 10 years, and we have around 200,000 users across the globe, and from 3,000 plus organizations. And our customers are from a variety of verticals, including food delivery to automobile and aviation as well. And we have some very special customers from the UAE region as well. For example, Bait and Atis is into manufacturing. So now we're going to go into a quick demo. So we're going to look at 4 features of Zoho People now. So one is going to be the employee onboarding process. Then it's going to be your leave or your time off management process. And then we'll move on to time tracking and attendance management with Zoho People. All right. So the employee onboarding is the first and the foremost step of for an employee in your company, right? So you need to make that count. Zoho People offers both candidate and employee onboarding processes. So with candidate onboarding, you will be able to collect all the required information of the candidate, for example, their name, their IDs, and if you have your national numbers that you need to collect to process visas and other things, you can always do that. You can collect information about the passport and also upload a copy of the passport and visa. So all of these basic details can be added here. And with that, you will also be able to send offer letters, which employees, your candidates can sign. So once the candidate onboarding process is over, you're going to have your employees join your company, and there's going to be a lot of tasks related to that. So how does Zoho People simplify this? Is as you can see here, this is a default flow that we have in Zoho People for onboarding, but you can always go ahead and customize the system and create your own flows based on the roles you're hiring your candidates are in, or the experience as well. So let me quickly show you. Yeah. So this is a 7-step process where you can easily, seamlessly onboard your new hires. So the first is going to be a welcome aboard space. So here you're going to send out an automatic warm welcome message that could be posted to your employees feed and to the department feed as well. And then profile and other information. So this is the employee form that is tagged here. So your new hires are going to give in all their information into the employee form. And other documents and policies like your social media policy or your leave policies that employees should be aware of can be added here. And then team members. So employees will be able to view all the team members and also chat with them instantly. And moving on, a little about your company. Maybe you can give a video here that talks about your culture, your vision and mission. And finally, objectives. So this is going to be a really important part because guidance is extremely important for a new hire, right? And so in this space, you're going to tag what their KRAs are based on the designation or department. And so this will help employees know what are their responsibilities, what are they working towards. And finally, a checklist for the HR professional to see what are the tasks that they should be doing from their end. So we'll just go to a quick preview of this. So this is how it's going to appear for employees. So let's get started here. This is the feed space where you're welcoming the new hire. And as you can see here, you have the HR contact person listed. So if at all an employee has to contact someone or need anything, it's just a matter of having a quick conversation with them. And finally, we have employee form that we had earlier added. So here you're going to collect all the information, the work details, the personal information. And as you can see here, we have the passport expiry date and visa expiry date. So based on these dates, we'll be able to send a trigger or notification to the employee maybe a few days before the expiry date, just to inform that they're nearing the date, so that they'll it will come in very handy for them to take quick actions. And it's also going to save you from legal issues, save you and them from legal issues. Then this is the document and policy space. The offer letter can also be signed digitally with the Zoho Sign integration. And then a little about your company, and finally the objectives to boost productivity. And then when you're all done, the onboarding process is completed. So as now we're done with the onboarding process, we'll be moving on to time off management. So one of the major problems that HR faces with regional laws. So here, Zoho People enables you to customize as many leave policies as you want. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can create a casual leave type. So you can have an image, a code, and you can also set the validity of from when to when the leave is available. And let's just say from 6 months of joining, I want to give 1 day of leave per month. So that's how simple it is to configure. And based on your policies, you can always carry forward them and also encash the leave balance. And it's not just that, you can also have multiple policies here. So here I've told 6 months. So let's say after 1 year from the date of joining, I'd like to give leave, 2 days of leave per month. So that's the extensive customizability that Zoho People offers here. And it's not just a convenient tool for HRs, but it's also going to be very comfortable for employees to use. So even before they could apply leave, they will get a gist of all the leaves that are available and the ones taken under each leave type. So this will, and they can also see the approved and the pending leaves as well. So this way, it's going to be a easier tool for both the HR and employees alike. We'll move on to attendance. So managing attendance with Zoho People is a very simple process, and all that employees have to do is just check in here. They can do it from their mobile devices as well. And even if they forget to mark their attendance, they can always go and regularize it. And this can be even subjected to a small appraisal process. Approval process. So when we look at the settings, you will be able to define the working hours, your ideal working hours, the payday calculations, All the permissions like is web or web check-in or mobile check-in should be enabled. All of these, and you can also set reminders for employees to log in and log out. And if you're a business that is working around the clock, then shift management is essential no matter the time, right? So you can easily configure shifts here, and with just simple click of a button, you can your shift management. And let's just say the weekends in UAE are mostly on the Fridays and Saturdays, right? So you can, it's just a matter of clicking with a few clicks, you'll be able to achieve your goals. And we also have a feature called break. So this is going to be a very healthy way for your employees to pause what they're doing, relax, and then resume. Because while working remotely, we tend to lose track of time, and we tend to keep working and working and working. So this feature is going to be really helpful for them. So that's about attendance management. And now we'll move on to timesheets. So if you're a business that has are working on multiple projects, you need to allocate the right resources to the right projects, and you need to also allocate the time they should be spending on each project, right? So Zoho People enables you to quickly add the client, their project name, what work to do, and the estimated time for them to finish the product, and that's just about it. So you'll with this you'll be able to schedule jobs prior itself, so that employees will know what they're going to be working on throughout the week. And once you schedule the jobs, you'll be able, all that employees have to do is select the project and job they're working and just track time from there. And once they track time, it can all be consolidated into a timesheet, and it can be subjected to an approval process as well. So all I have to do is just say approve and leave my comment there. From a manager's point of view, they should be able to know what their employees are working on, where is going, and how projects are performing, right? So Zoho People's project dashboard will enable managers to get a bird's eye view of the estimated hours and the logged hours, the billable and non-billable hours, and also the work in progress and what has been completed. And you'll also have a detailed view of employees as well, what hours they've logged in, and also the top 5 contributors and the least 5 contributors. So this way, managers will be able to identify who's performing well and who is not, and they can identify issues and resolve them much quicker than just uh, having a big problem later. So that's about the demo. All right, really sorry for that. Thank you for bearing with me for such a long time. All right, and moving on. So we are in very uncertain times, and we really need to ensure the health of our workforce. So Zoho People has a health survey form here, so employees can uh, submit this survey every day, and you'll also be able to build a workflow based on the responses you get. So let's just say someone is sick or family is sick. You can build a workflow that automatically triggers a notification to the concerned person in the HR team, so that you can take quick actions. And now, moving on, announcements and keeping your workforce in the loop is extremely important right now. So as you can see here, you can make an announcement to the entire of your workforce, or you can also make it based on regions. Let's just say work from home policy for India is going to be very different from the one in UAE, right? So you can make based on regions as well. And we do have an integration with Click, which is our communication software. So with Click, you'll be able to, employers will be able to send individual messages, have group chats, audio calls, and video calls. So this is going to make communication as seamless as possible. Moving on to performance management. Tracking employee performance is going to be very difficult during this time as it's a first work, right? With Zoho People, you'll be able to set employees in the right path, give them a KRA, and prioritize with goals so that, and you can also track their progress here. So this gives more visibility into an employee's performance, and managers will also be able to identify employees who need help and help them do their work in a very initial stage as well. Coming to feedback, is feedback makes sense only when you give it at the right time, right? Because if you're going to give a feedback at the end of the year, no one is going, it's not going to be useful for employees. So Zoho People offers a peer-to-peer and 360-degree feedback models. So these models are going to break through the traditional method of waiting till the final appraisal to give feedback to employees. So this is going to be more engaging, and everyone could use some motivation at this time, right? Also, when we spoke about feedback, but we also need regular check-ins with managers. It's not performance management. An annual performance management system is not really going to help you at this time, or even at any time. We need to track employees' performance regularly, and a continuous performance appraisal system helps you do that. You can have it monthly reviews or even quarterly. So the major, one of the important aspects of this is that employees will be able to self-rate themselves. So this gives an opportunity for them to take a step back, look at their performance, see where they're lagging, where they can improve, and then rate their own performance. Everyone has a appraisal cycle in progress, and it's going to take a huge amount of time from the HR department to collect the reviews and publish it to employees. It's a lengthy process, a very time-consuming process. With Zoho People, you'll be able to automate the entire process, give set dates for every review that you need to collect, and the entire system can be automated. And also, not every employee is going to be happy with their their appraisal, right? And I think all chance to take a to reevaluate it. So with Zoho People, employees will be able to ask for a reevaluation as well. So as we're talking about performance, we should also talk about learning. Performance and learning go hand in hand, and we need to address that learning consistently, continuously is important to our growth. And as I said earlier, the major a drawback to a virtual learning is that employees will not be able to get in touch with their trainers, right? But we have an integration with Zoho Meeting that enables you to connect trainers and learners instantly throughout, and all the questions and everything can be asked just like how we are using this tool right now. And who knows a team better than its managers, right? So managers and their peers can also suggest courses to employees which they think will help them get better with their all the courses that you create can be highly targeted. For example, let's say you want to have a course about marketing. So you can select the skill sets and apply the course only to people into the marketing domain. And also, we have an option for discussions. We always learn a lot, learn better when we interact with others, right? Only when we share our ideas and opinions and debate over it. So we have a space more like a social space where employees can start conversations, share their thoughts and ideas, and learn and grow together. All right. So with that, performance management is done. Now we're going to give you the smartest way to manage employee questions. So we're going to sort it, manage, ask, record, and track it all from a single system. The problem with employee questions in the service delivery is that questions are going to come in all shapes and sizes. So you need to be equipped with the right tools, the right people, so that so that answers are given correctly. With Zoho People, you'll be able to create multiple categories like this. For example, leave, training, work from home questions, and all of this can have a agent, and it can also be, and the agent can also be based on the location. For example, leave policies are not going to be the same everywhere and in every region, right? In that time, I could probably have one agent from India to address the questions that come from that region, and probably for other regions, I can also use the same technique. And it's also going to be like more of a conversation kind of space. There are no emails here, no phone calls here. It's all going to be in the form of comments, and it's going to be a very simple way for you to track employee questions and sort through. And you'll also be able to add an FAQ space where, with just a simple search, employees can get all the details that they need. So simple questions can always stay simple. So finally, Zoho People is more than what it offers. Apart from our default modules like attendance, and leave, you'll be able to build your custom solutions. So for example, if you see here, we have team change management. So any forms or any FAQs or any related documents that you need there can be added, and the forms can be subject to an approval process. You can have all the automation workflows added, and you can build your own custom solution in a matter of just few minutes. Well, that's a good thing. And you should also be able to have your workplace ready, right? So Zoho People is launching a new custom module called Workplace Readiness. So with this, you'll be able to track your work, who can come and work in your workspace. So not all your employees are going to come back to work, right? So whoever wants to work can send a request here, and this can be subject to an approval process. And also, you need to keep a track of your visitors as well. It could be someone coming to meet your employees or your vendors to the office. It can be anyone, but if when you need the data, like when you want to check who has come on a particular date, you've got all the data stored. And this is yet to be live. We'll be launching it in maybe a week or a week's time, and this will be available for free in all the plans. So it's just free of cost. So that's about Zoho People, and our next big thing is Zoho People Plus. So what is Zoho People Plus? If you ask me, it's combination of 7 Zoho products that come together to give a complete HR solution. So we had Zoho Recruit, the first session today, where Kruti spoke about the capabilities of Recruit. So that is going to be a part of it. And People, which we just saw. And Zoho Sign is our e-signature app, which can help you in any document management process with HR. So documents and HR are always it's always there. So you will need e-sign tools. And Expense is about travel expense management. And Zoho Vault is a password management solution. So you can have an organization level password policy, and it will also enable you to generate quick passwords, complex passwords, without you having to, manually come up with passwords for every access that you're giving to your employees. And then finally, we have Connect and Click, which are collaboration and communication platforms. We saw about Click a couple of slides back. So that's the Zoho People bundle. But so why a bundle? If you ask, it's going to be a unified experience, and you're going to address every step of the employee journey, right from onboarding to exit to engagement in between, performance. All of that is going to be covered, and your HR processes are also going to be unified. So it's going to be a win-win for both you as HR professionals, for your department, for your processes, and it's also going to help your employees. And as I said, you can with Click and Connect kind of tools in space, and with people helping in and engaging performance and learning systems, your employees are going to have an engaging and top-notch employee experience. And finally, and these are not just simply apps taken and put together. These are apps that talk really well to each other. And let's just say I change an information in Zoho People, it will be automatically reflected to Zoho Connect or Zoho Click or even Zoho Expense. So that's the level of integration we have. It's all tightly integrated, and it's also highly customizable. Every organization is unique. You have your unique processes, and you need tools that will be able to adapt to that situation, to your processes, to your culture. So what do you get with Zoho People Plus is that talent acquisition we saw with Recruit about candidate sourcing and resume management, etc. And talent management, we have performance, goals, training, all of that, which helps employees grow and develop in their careers. And then core HR management is for the HR department, how you can streamline your processes while also enabling employees to have a top-notch self-service experience. And then finally, engagement, where employees can communicate and collaborate and have an engaging experience with when they're with your organization. So Zoho People Plus is going to be your one-stop HR solution. You're going to have everything that your HR department needs right here. It's going to be your one toolbox with the important tools you need. So that's about my presentation. Thank you so much. You can always visit us at People and People Plus, and you also write to support. And you can follow us on our social channels for all the latest updates, articles, and everything.